San Diego's most accurate forecast. 10 News Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by Mission Federal Credit Union.
Boy, just kind of muggy overnight. All the fans going in my house
and not really doing enough.
I know. I had one little fan trying to save money with my air conditioning, and gosh, I needed several more fans. And it's going to be hot. The humidity is going to continue today. Not quite as hot as we have seen the last couple of days, but still above normal. 8:09 in the morning. We are seeing a beautiful picture though from La Jolla on this early Sunday morning. Good morning to everyone waking up early as we wrap up our weekend. Right now our current temperatures here, Ramona, right now in the mid 80s. Alpine, where they are trying to contain that west fire, in the lower 90s right now. Escondido, you are currently at 83 degrees, and Poway right at that 80-degree mark. So we are still in that heat advisory for our inland valleys. That's going to take us through tonight. That humidity, we're going to continue to feel that, so it is going to feel muggy in many areas. That's also increasing the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, mostly for our mountains and our deserts. But as the days continue, we have a better chance of it being more scattered throughout the county. This is what our rain futurecast here is showing late Monday night. So it is going to stretch here west of the mountains. 10 News Pinpoint weather team will continue to watch that as it develops. Forecast highs for today, still seeing 80s here along our coast, upper 90s in places like Escondido, Poway, and El Cajon. La Mesa, you're looking at 93 degrees. 7-day forecast here, so we're going to cool it down degree by degree over the next few days. As we get into next weekend, we'll start to see the upper 70s there along the coast. Our inland spots, mid 90s by tomorrow, and then lower 90s by Wednesday. But again, still very warm over the next few days. Watching for that chance of showers and thunderstorms over the next several days in our mountains. The desert still hot, dangerous heat there at 111.